Good afternoon from Naples Municipal Airport. Today I'll be flying with NetJets on board their Embraer Phenom 300 from here in Naples to Jackson, Mississippi. Right as we walked into the FBO, the pilot let us know that he was ready for departure, and we had about 5 minutes before he was ready to board the airplane. So I took this time to take a quick tour of the terminal and check out the amenities. Just beside the ramp exit door is this large conference-type room, with a large history of the airport spread across the entire wall, as well as televisions and electrical outlets inside the couches. Naples was previously served by many airlines such as Delta, American, or Provincetown Boston Airlines, which is pictured here. The future for airline service at Naples is unknown, as TSA has removed their checkpoint from the main terminal. Our aircraft this afternoon is November 367 Quebec Sierra, a 5-year-old Embraer Phenom 300 owned and operated by NetJets for its whole life, and it currently sports the new livery. We were actually scheduled to depart at 4:06 p.m., but thanks to us arriving early and NetJets' extreme flexibility, we began our boarding process at 3:36 p.m. The cabin was configured with 6 seats. The 4 in the back faced the front of the airplane, and the 2 in the front faced the back of the airplane. I sat at the exit seat, which provided a great view of the wing. Included at your seat is a massive amount of legroom, as well as a small gasper fan and reading light, which is controlled by the button below. Every seat is equipped with a multi-purpose outlet, as well as a small table that holds an iPad, but the exit row doesn't have one, and as you can see, I struggled to open it. Also included is a small compartment which has napkins and wet wipes. About 5 minutes after the boarding door was closed, we were ready for departure. I'm going to be quiet now and let y'all enjoy this departure off of runway 23 with an immediate right turn over the Gulf of Mexico. contents of the literature pocket were very basic, including just a safety card, and a sickness bag. The tray tables on this airplane are designed so that two people can use them at once. They can be pulled out by opening the door and pressing on them firmly. As you can see, there's a lot of space for your things. Here's the iPad holder that I mentioned earlier. As you can see, the two arms extend and stretch so that you can fit any size iPad. This is the iPad here, and it's pretty much what you get for any sort of in-flight entertainment. It comes with a lot of movies, games, music, and even a flight tracker. All snacks and drinks are self-serve with NetJets. And of course, I couldn't pass up a good can of Sprite. I always get Sprite on my TRIPREPORTs anyway. They have pretty much all the different food items you can look for. Crackers, granola bars, chips, and even a fruit plate that catering brought to us. Once we reached our cruising altitude of 40,000 feet, the crew was so nice as to let me check out the cockpit. It was really cool to see an all-touchscreen Garmin G1000 in this Embraer Phenom. High-speed Wi-Fi is also available on the entire NetJets fleet, and it truly is high speed. You can do pretty much anything on it, like surfing the web or even checking your Instagram. After what seemed like absolutely no time at all, we began our descent into Jackson, and were greeted with beautiful views out the window. Honestly, this was one of my most favorite flights that I've ever taken. Huge thank you to NetJets for their extreme flexibility, and an even bigger thank you to my grandparents. It's because of them that this flight was made possible. Once again, I'd like to thank NetJets and my grandparents for such an amazing flight. I would also like to thank you all for watching this video today. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit the like button. If you didn't, dislike and comment why. and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.
We were supposed to.
So I'll see you all in the next video.
I gotta warn you now, watch that balloon. Okay, that's my wife's. Pretty sure she put some cinder blocks in there. That's it.